Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Codebreaker, where we continue to build your web development skills. I'm Edward, and in today's video we are going to cover two essential elements of any web page: adding images and creating HTML lists. So let's do it right now. First, let's talk about adding images. Visual content is a key part of any modern website. The HTML tag for adding an image is that it's a self-closing tag, which means it doesn't need a closing tag like other HTML elements. So here is how we can add an image to our web page. You need to specify two important attributes: the source, that is src for the image source, then the URL or the file path of the image, and out, which is used to describe the image for accessibility. So this is our code. Then we're going to first add our h1 tag here, saying adding, let me say it is adding an image. So this is a key. Then for image, it is img, like we've seen. So it is that is our tag. It doesn't need a closing tag. It is just img. So once we include the source attribute with the image URL or the file path, the out attribute to describe it, you will see the image of your web page. So for example, let me say I have an image here in my folder, in my photos folder. So that is my image. Then I'll come here and then I do copy this. Then I come in here and I paste the file path there. So let me just remove this. So the out part, which will describe the image we're putting in, let me put my name, that is Edward. Let me say Edward's picture, like that. So once we include the source and the URL, then we have to see how it looks like in the browser. And here it is just like that, just like this. So this is how it is in the browser. This is our heading and this becomes our image we've put. So that's how we add an image into a code. Now let's move on the lists. Here are two main types of lists. So let me first remove this. I do remove this. So we're going to add two lists. Remember, we have ordered lists and unordered lists. So now let's move to the list. Let's start with unordered list. We will use the OL tag, that is for ordered lists, and the LI, that is for each list item. So our heading here is going to be, let me say, my favorite programming languages. Then below that, I'll put this ordered list tag. Then inside that, I'll put the RI, that is for list item. For that, then I'll put my first favorite programming language, that is Python. Then I'll add another list item. I include JavaScript. JavaScript comes in the second place. Then after that, I'll add the third one. The third one will be, that is this we're doing, that is HTML and CSS. Here we create a list of my favorite programming languages. Each list is wrapped inside the RI tag, and since it's ordered list, it's automatically numbered. So let's see how it is in our website, and here it's how it looks like in our website. You see Python is number 1, 2, and then 3. So that's how it looks like, a list in the OL, or the ordered list code. So let's go back, and then we put the unordered list, and that will be like this. So let me first delete this, and then I'll put this UL, that is for unordered list, that UL you're seeing. And then inside that, I'll add my first list, and then we're going to create an ordered list, and this time we'll use bullets instead of numbers. So I'll put my first list to be practice. Let me say instead, I'll put there practice code. And then my other list will be learn code every day, and then below that I'll add another list that will be, let me say it will be learn coding by hands-on. Okay, so that's my list. And then as you can see, the only difference that we used in UL tag instead of OL tag is this. The other was OL and this is UL. So here is the unordered list in action, both ordered. So let's see how it is in the browser. So you see it is in a bulleted form. So now you know how to add images and create both ordered and unordered lists into our code. These tools will help you organize and present content in more structured way. Thanks for watching, and hit the bell icon for more content. Please, if you've liked the video, please give me a thumbs up, and please do support me by subscribing this channel. Thank you for watching. If you find this helpful, please do the needful. In the next video, we will explore how to style your HTML pages using CSS. See you in the next video.